Okay, I'm going to try to show you how I cut the sheets, and hopefully you can see. Here's the part that goes towards the headboard. I just trim that off. It's easier. And it straightens up the edges. Rip that off. Save that for something else, or if you get a little short at the end, throw that away. Okay. And I go down to the other end. See what we got there. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and leave that. Okay, this is how I try to make one continuous strand. Whatever width you decide to do on yours, this is about right for mine. I rip until I get down to the end. Of course, that is not perfect there because they had sewed it against. Then I stop just a wee bit before the end. Cut again to match the size. Going the opposite way, like that, and rip going the other way, like so. And you do that going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then the next film, as you saw, shows you how I deal with those little flappy things as you're crocheting. Hopefully that shows up well. So anyway, one more time. As you see, I have that cut, and obviously I'm going the long way because I want the strips as long as possible. So here I'm going to, again, about the same size. I eyeball it. I don't really worry about it. And then going the opposite way. And you keep doing that and doing that until you get to the end. Then you roll it up in a ball, and there is your sheet balls. Stop at the end. Go back the other way. Little snippet. And voila. That's it. Hopefully that helps everyone.